Hey everybody, Courtney here. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to me. If this is your first time with me, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I really appreciate it. If you like the video, please hit the like button, tap subscribe, and hit the ring ding bell, and I will support you back. If this is not your first time with me, then hey you guys, what's up? Hope everybody's having a great day today. Today I have a couple of things for you, and I'm not even going to talk about it. I'm just going to roll on through it and so that you guys can see. This is actually going to be a two-part, not series, but just a two-part video because I'm trying to shorten my videos. So if you guys want to see what I have to say and see what I got, it is a haul video. You know the drill. Just keep on watching. Hey you guys, okay, so y'all know I like come outside on the porch all the time, and I went to my mailbox and I was so excited that I couldn't wait. I keep my tripod out here. I have another one in the house, but I came out to my mailbox and I had two boxes in the mail. One is my Gerard Cosmetics haul, my second haul from Gerard, and another one is a friend love mail from my friend Pamela Ebert. Pamela, I know she had asked me for my address for a little while back, but I wasn't even thinking about it, so I had no idea I would get it, so it's a big surprise. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. And in just a minute I'm going to go inside and I'm going to play the next clip, and I'm going to show you guys what I got in my mail haul today. I'm so excited. So Pamela, I love you so much. Thank you. I'll be right back, you guys. Hey you guys, okay, so I'm inside and I'm super excited because I'm so surprised at this friend mail. I really am. So I am going to open my friend mail very carefully. I have my little pink scissors here. So I'm going to open my friend mail very carefully because it says on there, open me card inside. So I'm going to be really careful with it. Okay, so I have this beautiful card, and this is what it looks like. It's orange, but I can't show you the front because it has my address on it. So I'm going to open my card. Aww. Just checking in, it says. There's the front. So pretty. I'm so glad to have cards. I love cards. I know I'm going to make a background because my background's boring. And praying God takes extra special care of you today. Love always, Pamela. Aww. I'm not going to read this. This is personal, but thank you, sweetheart. Thank you. I'm like tearing up. Okay, I'm going to get past all that. That's a very sweet card. A very, very sweet card. Okay, now let's get into the package. Okay, so I'm opening my package now, and I see that there are a couple of things in here. Pamela. Pamela, you are a sweetie. Such a sweetie. I know what one of these is. And then she said the other one. Yo, my friend Pamela, she's such a sweetheart. If you are not subscribed to her, please go and subscribe to her, like right now. It's Pamela Ebert. I will link everything for her at the bottom. She had done a video, Pamela, she had done a video on these two palettes, and they're palettes that I've been looking at. I've seen them on like Amazon and eBay and stuff, and she had done a video on these two palettes showing how beautiful they were, and I was like, oh my gosh, I've been looking at those palettes forever. And she sent me both the palettes, and they are by Beauty Creations, the Elsa and the Olivia, and they are just so gorgeous, y'all. They are so gorgeous. I'm going to show you the Elsa one first. I love these. I love these. Oh, I love these so much. The Elsa one, I want to show you guys first because this one's my cool tones, my beautiful, oh, so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Oh, they're so pretty. Look at these colors, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so excited to have this. Let's swatch some of the colors. Okay, so there's so many shimmers in here. Beautiful shimmers. It's like a cool and a, like this whole area right here is going to be like my cup of tea, and this will be like transition, and it's just beautiful. It's so beautiful. So I'm going to swatch the ones that she swatched. So it's this pretty teal color, and then this blue, and then a beautiful purple shimmer up here. Look how these are just so pigmented, you guys. All right, so I'm going to wipe these on my, oh my gosh. Pamela, these are so pretty. Oh my goodness. Pretty. Oh my gosh, y'all. Look at these colors. I'm a horrible swatcher, but look at that. The purple and the blue and the green. Oh, how gorgeous are those? And y'all cannot imagine the price on these palettes. They're amazing. Pamela, I'm not sure how much they were, but when you see this video, pop the link down there. They're so inexpensive. There's that peach color right there, that peach, and my veins are popped out, y'all. All right, I'm gonna swatch some of the dark colors. So like here's like a maroon, a dark maroon, and some of the in this green that Pamela swatched. I love that. And then here's like a gold color, a shimmer. Let's swatch these over in my hand here. Oh my goodness. Look at this pigment. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that green and oh, maroon, that gold. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous, Pamela. Goodness, I'm so happy to have these. Thank you so much, Pamela. You are so sweet. They're gorgeous. They're gorgeous. You can get any look out of these palettes, you guys. You can get any look out of them. Let me open the other one and play around with the other one for a minute. Definitely gonna do an eyeshadow look with one of these today. So I like don't have any makeup on and so excited. All right, so this is the Olivia one. This is what it looks like, and this one is more like warm tones, but it's so beautiful. Oh, you guys, look at this. Look how gorgeous this is. Oh my gosh. Let's play with some of these. Okay. I'm going to knock everything over in the process. Alright, I'm going to go into this like brownie gold shimmer. And then I'm going to go into, there's a few colors that look the same, but I'm sure they have different hues. So this is kind of like a charcoal. And then let's go into like a bright gold. This is something that my friend Lisa would really like. So, oh, look how buttery, beautifully pigmented and soft those are. Look, and they're still all over my fingers. They're beautiful. That's from the other palette. Gosh, these are so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Now I want to get into like some of the green, like the vibrant colors in here. I'm gonna do, let's see, let's swatch the green here. Oh, that's a beautiful green. And then let's swatch one of the burnt oranges. And then we'll swatch one of the shimmers. One of the like champagne color shimmers. Let's just swatch those on my arm here. Oh! Y'all look. Look at these colors. Aren't those beautiful? I mean, oh my gosh, they're gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Pamela, I don't even know what to say. These are amazing. These are amazing. I cannot wait to play with these eyeshadow palettes. Oh my goodness, this is like every eyeshadow color you will ever need. I mean, you've got your cool tones, you got your warm tones, you got your nudes, you got your mattes, you got your shimmers. It's pretty much everything you will ever need to make any kind of look that you want. So, Pamela, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love these palettes. I cannot wait to play with them some more. I'm so excited about having them, and I can't thank you enough. So, thank you so much, sweetie. And again, this is a cruelty-free brand as well, just to let you guys know. So this is the two palettes, the Beauty Creations Elsa and Beauty Creations Olivia. Gorgeous. 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 Thank you, Pamela. I love you so much. You're so sweet. Thank you for the beautiful card. You know I love the cards. I love cards so much, and I am going to make a background with a bunch of cards and a bunch of beautiful things that I get from you guys, because like there's nothing more special than just a personalized note, and I just think that they're amazing and I love them, and I could collect cards all day. And I'm just going to have this huge cork board, and that's what I'm going to use as my background, because my background's kind of boring. So thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I cannot thank you enough. Okay, so now I am going to go into my Gerard Cosmetics box here. And as always, there is a beautiful, when you open the box, it is packaged so gorgeously. This is what it looks like with the pink paper. And on this haul, I decided to pick up a couple of different things. Let's see what I got here. Okay, so I got the Starstruck palette, which is the highlighting palette, which is opposite of the Hollywood palette. This is the one that has the shimmers in it, and it has 3 of those shimmer colors. It looks like this. I always do it upside down. It looks like this. And let me just dig into this. I'm excited about having this palette because I don't have any of the shimmers yet, so I'm super excited about that. So I'm going to open this really quick and swatch this. This is what the outside looks like. It's just like the other one, this palette. So I'm going to get this one out and show you guys the difference in the two. So they look the same on the outside. This is the Hollywood and this is the Starstruck palette. Okay, so we have 3 colors in here, and it's Lucy, Marilyn, and Grace. These also come in the single compacts. This compact comes with a mirror, as you can see, and these are the colors inside. These are the shimmers inside. I'm so glad to have these. I'm going to swatch them. Alright, so Lucy is the darker one. Beautiful, beautiful shade. And then in the middle, we have Marilyn, and this is kind of a medium shade, like a champagne, medium champagne. And then the lightest color is our Grace, and this is the lightest color that Gerard Cosmetics carries, and this is what they look like. They are so gorgeous. Look at that highlight pigment, even that top color. You know, it looks like it's super dark if you look in the pan, especially online. It looks super dark, but then when you swatch it, it's like, it's really not. By the way, this swatch right here is an antique. This is something that my granny, my dad's mother, she gave to me. Seiko watch, and it is a wind-up watch. It is a gold watch that is a wind-up, and it has the chain here, and it's just a beautiful watch. It has the purple on the inside, and you wind it up on the side here, and I just love wearing it when I wear anything gold. So that's what that is, in case you guys are wondering. But yes, this is a very old watch that came from my granny. So that is the Starstruck palette. I love it. I cannot wait to use it. I'm going to use it today. I'm so excited to have this. I've been waiting on this. I wanted to get this when I first got on with Gerard, but I went ahead and got the Hollywood palette instead. But let me show you the colors in both. Do this in a way where I won't blind you. Okay, so this is both the palettes, and this is the one that has the shimmers, and this is the one with more the mattes. These are 2 blushes over here and a bronzer, and then there's 3 highlight colors. So these are absolutely gorgeous. Love them so much. So I'm excited to use these today. Okay, so what else did I get here? Okay, I got a liner, and this is in Red Brick Road liner. I have a liner that's kind of red, but this is not like super bright red. This is like a beautiful like maroon red, and I think this is beautiful for fall. And then I got some other friend mail and love mail from a couple other friends, and I think that this liner would just be beautiful with that. So it's a beautiful color. That's Red Brick Road in the Gerard Cosmetics lip liner. And then I also got one of the Supreme lip creams, and this is the one that I was saying that's not, it's a lippy, but it's not the matte. It's just the really creamy one, and I got this in the color Wildberry Tart. And this, look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Transparent there, but it is. It's more of a like a gloss, like a color gloss, tinted gloss. So that is beautiful. And then I got one of the metal mattes, and of course I got the rose gold. I could not go without getting this rose gold. This rose gold was calling my name. The front of this looks gorgeous. It says the metal matte right there, metal matte, and I cannot wait to see what this looks like. Oh, I can already tell it's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Look, isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to put it on my lips. Ah, so pretty. And then I got a glitter lipstick as well, and I got the color All Access in the glitter lipstick. And this is the one I was telling you was I wanted to kind of have one of everything. Oh, and this is rose gold. Oh my gosh, this is rose gold. The bullet is rose gold, but this is in the color All Access. And this is what I was telling you, these are the glitter lipsticks that they're smooth on the lips. They're not real gritty.
but I'm going to swatch it for you here. Oh, that is gorgeous. That'll look beautiful with the Red Brick Road. Oh my gosh, look, y'all. Look at that glitter lipstick. Oh, how beautiful is that? Look at it with that liner. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I cannot wait to put that on my lips either. And it's really smooth. It's not gritty at all. I mean, you can definitely tell that there's glitter in it, but it's not gritty. It's definitely not gritty like to where you'll rub your lips together and you'll be like, oh. Yeah, but I have the one from Urban Decay, and it's like a lip topper, and it's so gritty, and it's just, I'll still love it, but it's super gritty. So, but next thing I got was just another one of the bullet lipsticks, and I got this in the color Vintage Rose. And I will show you the difference between the two. The glitter lipstick, being that is the rose gold bullet, and then the regular lipstick bullet. I say bullet because I'm really countrified. But see the difference? So you got the gold is the glitter lip, and then the regular. So this is beautiful. Alright, so this is in the color, like I said, Vintage Rose. Oh, that's like the perfect pink. Perfect mauve pink. It's not too strong, not too heavy, and it's just so silky and smooth. Oh, I love these lipsticks. These are my favorite by far lippies that I've gotten in a very long time. And look at that pretty pink. Vintage Rose is what that's called. So all these beautiful Gerard products, along with the compact here, and I'm super excited about all the stuff that I got in my haul today. I'm so excited. So I'm actually going to use some of these products today, but I think I'm going to try that Red Brick Road with the liner with that glitter lipstick, and that, like I said, that's in the color All Access. So I also want to use my eye palettes from my friend Mail that I got today. I am going to cut the video here. I'll probably change shirts. I'm going to get the swatches off my hands. I'm going to get my face prepped. And I'll probably start another video. So I hope you guys will come back and hang out with me during that portion of the next video, because I'm trying to not make my videos too long. So I think I'm going to separate these two videos out. So I will see you guys on my next video. Hopefully you guys will come back. I will, like I said, I will be doing the two palettes that I got with my friend Mel. So it'll be the Elsie and the Olivia. And then I'll also be trying out my new Gerard products that I got in my haul today. So I will be back later on, and you guys just click on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, tap the subscribe, and hit my ringy dingy bell, and I will support you back. As always, I will not argue with you guys, and I'm getting ready to record that right now. So, love you all, and thank you so much. Thank you, Pamela. I love you so much, sweetie. I'm going to send you a message right now. Bye, you guys.